In this short video, we'll point out some basic features that'll help you monitor your ads. Click the arrow in the top right corner and select Manage Ads. Now you're in Ads Manager. When you click Campaigns in the left-hand column, you'll get an overview of all your campaigns. Here you'll see notifications about your ads and an estimate of how much you're spending each day. And you can click the tabs to get info about your campaigns, ad sets, and ads. In any tab, you can adjust your view by delivery activity, like if you only want to see active campaigns. And every column has a helpful tooltip. Just hover your pointer over the question mark, and you'll get a short explanation of what each column tells you, like the results your ad is getting, or how many people you're reaching. The data in the columns are different between the campaign, ad sets, and ads levels, so use the tooltips for more information on each column. You can turn campaigns, ad sets, or ads on or off just by clicking the blue tab in the status column. Click the name of a campaign, ad set, or ad for more details. You'll see key metrics like reach, frequency, and cost. You can also adjust the start and end dates of the summary, so you can see ad performance in a specific date range. And there's an interactive graph you can use to see ad performance by each day. When you read your metrics in Ads Manager, you can see which ads are performing best, so you can adjust your ads for better impact. For more info, go to facebook.com/ads/manage.